Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for joining me. I hope you guys are having the most amazing day. Today, I'm so sorry. Today is another little Poundland haul. This is mostly toys, and they are amazing new toys for Christmas to add into your little Christmas hamper, stocking filler, Christmas Eve box. As always, anytime they have a new bag out, I purchase the bag. This one is Luxe Très Chic Couture, established in 1985. Love this little bag. It is so very cute, but without wasting any time at all, we're going to get in to our haul because it is a rather large haul. And guys, I might rush through this. Please forgive me if I do. But it is such a big haul. I do not want to keep you guys here all night. Well, the first thing they got is not a toy. This is the only thing that isn't toy related. This is Simply Donuts, lovingly handmade donuts, strawberry jam mini donuts. And I think you get 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this cute little container for £1. So these are my little snack for later. I'm so looking forward to digging into those. Love a good donut. Guys, first things that I purchased are the poppets. I love these poppets. These poppets are thinner probably than normal poppets, but they're still not a bad quality, and they're glow in the dark. So we have a glow in the dark pink, a glow in the dark green, and a glow in the dark blue. These are only £1 each, and I know that a lot of other places are selling these the exact same type for £2. These are made by Toy Mania, and they're totally addictive and stress relieving, and they are so much fun. So I purchased one of every color, so they are awesome. Oh, the next thing I purchased because I couldn't help myself, and I bought two because again I couldn't help myself, are these adorable. So I purchased 2 of those. We'll put one right there. These adorable porcelain tea sets. It's a 7-piece. You get, so cute, you get 2 little teacups, you get 2 little saucers, you get your milk jug, you get your little teapot, and your little porcelain lid. Not really much more to say about these this little tea set other than how adorable are these. These are so super cute, and for £1 I think that is a sheer bargain. That's why I picked it up. Guys, I purchased 3 of these. Did not know I purchased 3, but I'm still glad that I did. Guys, next are these bricks play. I purchased one of each type. This is the only types they have, although the back does say that they have 12 to collect. I could only find 3, so I picked up all 3. The first one has 23 pieces. It is an all-terrain patrol car. It says learning brand compatible, which leading brand compatible. So what they're actually saying is they're compatible with Lego. It's a skill level 2, and it's just a fun little addition to have on Christmas Eve, some activity you can do together, or put it in as a little stocking filler. The next one is a HV missile vehicle, 01. It's got 33 pieces. You can see that it's totally cute and adorable. These are all for 6 years plus. And then we have the school bus, which I thought was so cute. But guys, these are, and this has 30 pieces. These are all the ones that you can collect and build. I think we're focused now. But I just thought they would be so cute. So we picked up those. I picked up more, and I know you guys have seen this before, more of these little tractors. I still have yet to find the orange tractor. I pick these little tractors up all the time, and I cannot seem to find the orange one. But they're just cute. They're adorable. Pack of 2. They're a model tractor. They are, it doesn't really say a whole lot other than there are 4 to collect. And we have all apart from the orange. So I'm still waiting on picking that orange up, but I think they are adorable. Also, we'll pop those right back there. And what else did we get? You guys have seen multiple times I buy these coloring books all the time. You get a pack of 8, but not only do you get a coloring book, you get coloring books, you get dot-to-dot books, And you also get activity books. The activity books are inside. You've got mermaids and giraffes and boats and rockets. And these are just super, super fun. And I always pick these up because we've got 8 in a pack. So I picked up another set of those to go along with those. I picked up a colouring wax crayons with a reusable case. Case is pretty neat, and you get all of these colors. In fact, you're getting 72. So there's a 72 pack, and I do intend to break these up and put them into smaller packs and attach them with the books. But how amazing is it to get 72 wax crayons in every color you could ever think of in a handy little case? Keep them all together, which is awesome, for £1. I think that is my bargain of the day. What else did I pick up? Oh, guys, I have more sweets. Of course I have more sweets. So I also picked up these white chocolate coins. These white chocolate coins really are just for me. But there is a ton of these coins for £1, and they're great as a little stocking filler. You can put 2 or 3 into each stocking, so 1 pack would probably do. I love white chocolate, and I purchased these for me. And again, £1 for 130 grams. 130 grams is pretty darn good. I love these little things. Poundland also had these. These are so cute. These are Justice League mini chocolates. I thought they were adorable. They're definitely worth the £1 I paid for them, because I've seen these in a lot of other places for a lot more money. Probably double the price. So I thought these would be fun to add into one of the Christmas stockings. And they're only £1. And inside they're so adorable. You've got a muscle, you've got the Batman signal. I can't really see anything else inside the pack. But how cute are these? How lovely would these be for a little stocking filler? And they're just milk chocolate. So they're solid milk chocolate, which I think is pretty fun. We're done with all of the chocolate. The next thing I bought is, oh no, oh, this is such a shame. I bought this little LOL keychain. What I didn't realize was that it has been scratched right here. So that's a bit of a shame, because it's now kind of useless. There's not really a whole lot I can do with that. I mean, I could put it into the charity bag, but I don't really like that kind of thing. What I could potentially do is use some alcohol wipes and remove this here, remove the keychain, and just have it as a little like puff keychain. I'm not really sure, but I will do something with this. I'm just disappointed that I didn't realize before I purchased it that it was scratched. But that's a bit of a letdown. Another new toy that I have never seen before are these STEM heroes. This is new to me. It's made by Engino, and it's play to invent. A lot of this writing is in a different language, which I don't understand. But it looks like it comes with instructions, and you can make 3 different things. I'm not really sure. But I've never seen these STEM heroes before. You're going to have to get Google Translate to translate this for you if you chose to buy this. But I think it's pretty awesome because you can actually connect these sets together. So it allows you, you can buy individual sets and then build them up to make something else, which I think this is pretty good. But for £1, I still think that's pretty awesome. And I'm happy that I purchased it. My favorite toy item of today is definitely got to be this. This is a Bakugan Battle Planet container. It says, take your own brawls on the go, which I think is pretty awesome. It comes with 2 Bakugans. I think it comes with 2 Bakugans. I'm not actually sure. It looks like it comes with some cards. It comes with, I think it only comes with 1 Bakugan, because I can only see 1, but that's still okay. These Bakugans are £3 to £4 per one. Plus on top of that, you're getting a pack of cards, which I can clearly see inside. and you're getting the on-the-go container. This is pretty darn good. These are also awesome because they're stackable. They have little stackable bits at the bottom so you can actually stack them up. And this little set was only, this little box was only £6. So I'm totally happy that I got this. This is for my nephew. He will love this. He is a Bakugan crazy. So I'm totally happy. Think this is my best non-food product that I've bought in this haul. And I'm super excited about it. Well, guys, did you like this video? I really hope you did. I had tons of fun buying all of this stuff. I always have fun buying things, and I love sharing everything that I've bought with you guys. If you did like the video, please smash that like button for me. Every time you guys hit the like button, it really does help support my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, come on ahead. We would love to have you here. Guys, if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, just hit that notification bell. And I'm going to say goodbye. I really wish you all a very lovely day, lovely evening, lovely morning, depending on where you live. And please take care of each other. Please stay safe. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.